This is my 1/35th scale FWD swamp truck. It's an ICM kit. Really nicely detailed. Went together really well. I built the steel cleat wheels from scratch, just styrene, and used the stock hubs and replaced the body with just some basic wooden bunks. And the tin sign on the side there. It's for my buddy Blaine Brown, my fellow tree climber. I think these trucks were one of the first four-wheel drive production vehicles. So obviously this kit was a World War I army truck. That's how it was packaged, but I've imagined it as a civilian machine, and at some point along the road somebody's modified it with these tall steel wheels. The idea being it would sink down in the muck and bite onto something firm. Somebody's stolen the tin sign off the one side at some point. It's got a winchable fuel tank sitting on the back there, the sort of thing that maybe a yarder could winch out to itself or even fly on a skyline. Just the faded remnant of number 3 there on the fuel tank. Somebody's replaced the seat with a top half of a plywood auditorium chair. I've seen that a few times. Bet you that would feel real good on the spine. There's a tin donkey somebody's bolted to the front wall of the cab. So I was experimenting with how far to go with defining my chipping. I experimented with lining around it, and I don't think I would go this far again, but I'm trying not to overly fuss over things and double back and fix them. I'm just learning from it and moving on. A good example is that, yes, this back wheel in a different style, I just looks a little too busy. The cleats have been gouged and damaged over the years. Some of them are missing, half gone. There's these swiveling shackle mounts that I came up with as part of the hub, thinking that might be a way to extract it from the muck if that ever got that bad. You can just make out beside the driver's seat there, it's a bird's nest. I didn't really modify the kit parts too much. I just left the engine compartment open, added some basic plug wiring, and try not to get too wrapped up in research. If I feel there's an area that needs something, I'll see if I can find something that works. This is going to be, because of its age, half buried in dirt and just surrounded with weeds and junk. Not going to see too much of the sides of these wheels. But yeah, I'm happy with the way this one turned out. Yeah. Thanks for watching.